Hi, my name is Tina Lanu, and I'm a TOSA at Monroe Elementary School. Today's tech tip is all about choice boards. Choice boards are a way to give students a choice in activities or assignments they want or need to work on. Choice boards can be created to benefit different learning styles in your classroom. This choice board was created for review of the Bonnie Klein story. The directions are given on the main slide, along with an audio button for your struggling readers. When the student clicks on the activity, it takes them to the activity slide they need to complete. You can also have them take pictures to submit instead of completing the activity on their device. Always have a quick way to get back to the choice board when they're finished with the activity. When the activity is completed, they can fill in the box to create their 3 in a row. Choice boards are a creative way to introduce new topics, dive deeper into current lessons, or review. Students love choice boards because they are motivated to make the choice for their learning. Enjoy making your choice boards.